Today this is upside down. Today I'm going to be changing the spark plugs on the Mustang. We do have everything fully buttoned back up. I'm just waiting on this fitting. You can see the thread sealer, and then we use the same thread sealer over here. So now that we're letting that sit, it's probably gonna take, well, the sealer recommends 24 hours. Once that fully sets, we'll check the car, make sure there's no other fuel leaks. And if there's not, we're gonna be good to go. So then that means the dyno video will be coming sooner rather than later. But I just decided to go ahead and change the spark plugs because I've been drag racing and I drive pretty spirited. So it doesn't hurt to go ahead and change it. I'm almost to 10,000 miles, so I figured, why not? So yeah, let's get into it. All right, we got the first coil pack off, and now I'm gonna take the spark plug out. I'm kind of swapping back and forth between Instagram and YouTube, so if you don't see me do a few of them, that's why. Go. Well, here's the first one. It's really not that bad. Probably didn't have to change them just yet, but car's down, have the plugs, so might as well. A new one. We've got 1 down and 7 to go. On the third one now. All right, got the third one out. I know you guys probably can't see too well right now. I'm sorry. Nick brought me lunch. This looks so good. All right, I just finished lunch, so we're gonna start back up and try to get this done so I can start the car up and see if there's any fuel leaks. Alright, now we're gonna put it back in. Finally, the driver's side is done.
Dang. You okay?
Well, Nick was recording for me, but I don't know where he went. I cut my finger because this one spot right here is like so awkward that my finger came up and like ripped a huge chunk of skin off on this ledge. So that was fun, but I'm gonna do this one probably off camera since I don't have anyone to hold the camera and it's like really a weird angle so you wouldn't be able to see anything anyways. So I'm gonna do that off camera and then I will be right back. Just FYI, you will have to remove this when you're doing the farthest spark plug, so don't forget. Okay, so we've got the spark plugs all done and everything's tightened up from when we took the fuel rails off and replaced the fitting because of that fuel leak in the passenger side rail. So now I'm just debating on whether I want to start it up right now or not. All right, trying to start the car, but I've tried twice and it's not turning over, so I think the battery might be toast.
Immediately. No.
Yeah.
Alright, try her again. I mean, I don't know. It leaked.